This conference will now be recorded.
Great. So hi everyone, welcome to this final GK quiz session. Let's start off. There are going to be 51 questions in today's session. The first question is on your screen. Where was the Mitti Bachao Save the Soil movement started in India? Where was the Mitti Bachao movement started in India? Neha says 4, Shankar says 4, Sakshi says 4, Srishti also says 4, Aditi says 4. Yes, it's Hoshangabad, Madhya Pradesh. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Hoshangabad, Madhya Pradesh. Hoshangabad, Madhya Pradesh is where Mitti Bachao movement started in India. Question number 2. Which of the following Indian foundations has received the Food Vision 2050 prize in August 2020? Which of the following Indian foundations has received the Food Vision 2050 prize in August 2020? Which of the organizations has received the Food Vision 2050 prize? The correct answer is option number 2, Nandi Foundation. Nandi Foundation. It is not Smile, it is Nandi Foundation that has received the Food Vision 2050 prize in August 2020. It's Nandi Foundation, option number 2. Tell me, question number 3. There are following statements about the new national education policy, which was approved by the Union Cabinet of India on 29th of July 2020. Couple of statements are given. Tell me, is only statement 1 correct? Only statement 2, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? It was drafted by a committee headed by Dr. K. Kasturirangan. It will replace the previous education policy which has been followed for last 38 years. Is it 1 only? Is it 2 only? Is it both 1 and 2? Is it neither 1 nor 2? It was drafted by a committee headed by Dr. K. Kasturirangan. It will replace the previous education policy which was being followed for 38 years. Yes, Ashna. Yes, Neha, you are correct. It is only option number 1. The committee was headed by Dr. K. Kasturirangan, but this new national education policy is not supposed to replace the entire previous education policy which is being followed for 38 years. It's not meant for replacing it. However, the committee which drafted it was headed by Dr. K. Kasturirangan. Only statement number 1 is correct, hence option number 1. Exactly, Neha. 10 हफ्ते 10 बजे 10 मिनट campaign was launched in which state or union territory?
अच्छा
10 हफ्ते 10 बजे 10 मिनट campaign was launched in which state or union territory? Yes, all of you are correct. It's option number 3, Delhi by Arvind Kejriwal. Option number 3, Delhi. Tell me this one. Question number 5. Roshni Act is a controversial law of which state or union territory? Roshni Act is a controversial law of which state or union territory? The correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir, option number 1, as mostly said by all of you. It's option number 1, Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir, option number 1 is the correct answer. Who among the following was the chairman of the committee on deepening digital payments by RBI, who was appointed as the chairman of the Committee on Deepening Digital Payments and was appointed by RBI? Question number 6. Who is the chairman appointed by RBI for the Committee on Deepening Digital Payments? Prasanna says 2, Sakshi says 3, Murmai says 3, Srishti says 3. Who was the chairman of the Committee on Deepening Digital Payments appointed by RBI? The correct answer is option number 2, Nandan Nilekani. Option number 2, Nandan Nilekani is the correct answer. It's Nandan Nilekani, option number 2. Option number 2, Nandan Nilekani. Question number 7. Statue of Peace has been installed in which of the following places? Statue of Peace has been installed in which of the following places? Seeing most of you are saying 3, and if so many are saying 3, it has to be a correct answer. It's Vijay Vallabh Sadhana Kendra, Jetpura, District Pali, Rajasthan. It's option number 3. Option number 3 is the correct answer for Statue of Peace. Question number 8. Private sector commercial bank Lakshmi Vilas Bank was amalgamated with which of the following 4 banks? Private sector commercial bank Lakshmi Vilas was amalgamated with which of the following 3 banks? ICICI, HDFC, DBS, or PNB? And yes, most of you are correct. It is DBS Bank India Limited. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Option number 3 is the correct answer. It's DBS Bank India Limited. Question number 9. Mission Purvodaya is aimed at. Question number 9. Mission Purvodaya is aimed at. Accelerated development of Eastern India through establishment of integrated steel hub, integrated petroleum hub, integrated organic farming hub, or food processing. Mission Purvodaya is aimed at. Prasanna says 1, Chitranshi says 1, Varsha says 3, Mileva says 3. The correct answer is Mission Purvodaya is aimed at option number 1. Option number 1 is the correct answer, at accelerated development of Eastern India through establishment of integrated steel hub. Integrated steel hub. That is the correct answer, option number 1. Yes, Ankita, option number 1 is the correct answer. Mission Purvodaya is aimed at accelerated development of Eastern India through establishment of integrated steel hub. Option number 1. Which state has become the first Har Ghar Jal state in India? Which state has become the first Har Ghar Jal state in India? Yes, most of you are correct except couple of people. The correct answer is Goa. It's Goa, option number 3. Goa has become the first Har Ghar Jal state in India. It's Goa, option number 3. Question number 11. The STARS is a new centrally sponsored scheme under which ministry or department? Department of School Education and Literacy, Ministry of Education, Indian Space Research Organization, Department of Science and Technology, Department of Atomic Energy. The STARS is a new centrally sponsored scheme under which of the departments? It's not 3. It's not 3. It's not 2. The correct answer is, as Neha and Aditi and Sakshi and Ankita have said, it is option number 1. Department of School Education and Literacy. Yes, Ashwarya, it is option number 1. Department of School Education and Literacy, Ministry of Education. STARS is a new centrally sponsored scheme under Ministry of Education. It's option number 1. Question number 12. The Employees State Insurance Scheme has recently been extended to which state for the first time? For the first time, Employee State Insurance Scheme has been extended for which state? It's not Arunachal Pradesh. It's not Arunachal Pradesh. And by the way, its correct answer is the Employee State Insurance Scheme has been extended for the first time to Meghalaya. Option number 3. Meghalaya is the correct answer. It's not even J&K. The correct answer is Meghalaya. Meghalaya is the correct answer. Option number 3, Meghalaya is the correct answer. That's where the ESI scheme has been extended for the first time. Meghalaya is the correct answer. Can you tell me what is Tikki Mausi in the context of malnutrition? A mascot, a specially packaged food item, name of a scheme, or name given to healthcare providers. What is Tikki Mausi in the context of malnutrition? Is it a specially packaged food item, mascot, name of a scheme, or name given to healthcare providers? What is Tikki Mausi in the context of malnutrition? And yes, Ankita, the correct answer is option number 2, mascot. Tikki Mausi is the mascot in context of malnutrition. Yes, Neha, it's the correct answer. Option number 2, a mascot. Option number 2 is the correct answer. Naseem al-Bahr is a bilateral naval exercise between India and mascot is like you have that Amul butter girl. That is called mascot, Varsha. Naseem al-Bahr is a bilateral naval exercise between India and yes, most of you are getting it correct. The correct answer is Oman. Option number 4, Oman is the correct answer. Option number 4 is the correct answer. India's longest river ropeway for passengers was inaugurated in India's longest river ropeway for passengers was inaugurated in yes, the correct answer is Guwahati. All of you have got it correct. Option number 4, Guwahati is the correct answer. Guwahati is the correct answer. That is where the India's longest river ropeway for passengers was inaugurated. Option number 4, Guwahati. Tell me this one. The first floating solar power plant in Uttar Pradesh is built on which of the following dams? The first floating solar power plant in Uttar Pradesh is built on which of the following dams? It's not Dhanrol Dam. It's not Dhanrol Dam. The correct answer is Rihand Dam. Option number 4. Yes, Astha, the correct answer is option number 4, Rihand Dam. The first floating solar power plant in Uttar Pradesh is built on Rihand Dam. Rihand Dam is the correct answer. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Question number 17. Which of the following organization approves the fair remuneration price of sugarcane? Which of the following organization approves the fair remuneration price of sugarcane? Question number 17. Which of the following organizations approves the fair and remuneration price of sugarcane? And the correct answer is option number 1, which no one said. It is Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs. Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs approves the fair remuneration price of sugarcane. It's option number 1. Option number 1 is the correct answer. Indian Navy launched Operation Vanilla in January 2020 in which of the following countries? Question number 16, the answer is Rihand Dam. Rihand Dam. Rihand Dam is the correct answer for 16. 17 is Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs. Now I am on question number 18. Indian Navy launched Operation Vanilla in January 2020 in which of the following countries? And the correct answer is option number 3, Madagascar. Option number 3, Madagascar is the correct answer. It's not Sri Lanka, it's not Maldives. Yes, Neha, it is Madagascar. Option number 3. Option number 3, Madagascar is the correct answer. Madagascar is the correct answer. Option number 3. Moving to question number 19. According to Sustainable Development Goal Index 2019, which state holds the first position? It's not Uttar Pradesh. It's not Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is Kerala. Kerala is the correct answer. Kerala holds the first position when it comes to Sustainable Development Goal India Index 2019, released by Niti Aayog. Option number 4. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Yes, Ankita. Correct answer is option number 4, Kerala. Kerala is the correct answer. Question number 18. Who is going to tell me for 2020? Is the report launched? Kerala is at the top. There has been no report released after that, Ankita, so far. No report has been released for 2020 yet. The correct answer is Kerala. The latest report released. No, Ankita, that might have been on some incorrect source. 2020 is not yet released. It's Kerala. Question number 20. Which of the following is India's first Kisan Rail? Which of the following is India's first Kisan Rail? Yes, all of you are correct. It is Devlalli Danapur Kisan Rail. All of you are correct. It's from Maharashtra to Bihar. It's option number 1, Devlalli Danapur Kisan Rail. Question number 20. Option number 1. Which of the following cities has got the top position among Indian cities in Global Smart City Index 2020? Which of the following cities has got top position among Indian cities in Global Smart City Index 2020? And the correct answer, as rightly said by all of you, is Hyderabad. Option number 3, Hyderabad is the correct answer. Hyderabad is the correct answer. This I have asked in earlier sessions also. Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana was officially launched on which month? I would say September. Which date of September? Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana was officially launched on. Yes, it's 3. Yes, it's 3. September 10, 2020. Option number 3 for question number 22 is the correct answer. It's September 10, 2020 is when Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana was launched. Which company acquired 74% stake in Mumbai International Airport? This is easy. Which company acquired 74% stake in Mumbai International Airport? Yes, it is Adani Airport Holdings Limited, AAHL. 23 question. Option number 1 is the correct answer. Adani Airport Holdings Limited. Adani Airport Holdings Limited is the correct answer. Kakrapar Atomic Energy Plant is located in which state? Question number 24. Kakrapar Atomic Energy Plant is located in which state? And yes, most of you are correct. It is Gujarat. Option number 2. Yes, Bhupen. Yes, Mileva. Yes, Sakshi, it is Gujarat. Option number 2 is the correct answer. Kakrapar Atomic Energy Plant is located in Gujarat. Yes, Ashwarya. Yes, Sakshi. Tell me this one. Question number 25. As per the amended conduction of election rules, postal ballot facilities has been extended to senior citizens above the age of 65 years, COVID-19 suspects or affected persons, Which of the options is correct? Only one, only two, both, none. Question number 25. The correct answer is option number 3. Both are correct. It has been extended to both senior citizens above the age of 65 as well as COVID-19 suspects or affected persons. Option number 3. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Both the statements are correct. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Tell me this one. Assam keelback. What is Assam keelback? A snake species, an evergreen plant, traditional folk dance, a hillock. What is Assam keelback? And yes, all of you are correct. It is option number 1, a snake species rediscovered in Assam after 129 years. It's option number 1. Zoram Mega Food Park has been established in which state? Question number 27. Zoram Mega Food Park has been established in which state? Yes, Mrunmay. Yes, Prasanna. Yes, Srishti. Correct answer is option number 1. Yes, Shankar. Yes, Aditi. It's Mizoram. Mizoram is the correct answer. Option number 1. Mizoram is the correct answer. Question number 28. Godhan Nyay Yojana has been launched in which state? Prasanna says 3. Godhan Nyay Yojana is launched in which state? Sonia also says 3. Shankar says 2. Varsha says 1. Godhan Nyay Yojana has been launched in which state? And Aditi and Ankita have brought option number 4 also in the fight. But the correct answer for question number 28 is option number 3, Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is the correct answer. Godhan Nyay Yojana is launched in Chhattisgarh. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Question number 29. Which state is the first one in the world to become fully organic? Which state becomes the first state in the world to become fully organic? And yes, all of you are correct. It's option number 1, Sikkim. Sikkim is the correct answer. Option number 1, Sikkim is the correct answer. Question number 30. Which Indian personality has been named as the new ambassador for Worldwide Fund, India's Environment Education Program? Who has been appointed as the ambassador for Worldwide Fund, India's Environment Education Program? And yes, most of you are correct. It is Vishwanathan Anand. Option number 1. Vishwanathan Anand is the correct answer. Prasanna, it's not 4. It is option number 1. Vishwanathan Anand. Option number 1 is the correct answer. Option number 1. Which 2 South Asian countries have been declared measles free by WHO? Which of the 2 South Asian countries have been declared measles and rubella free by WHO? Yes, Prasanna. Yes, Ankita, Aditi, Shankar. It is option number 1, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka and Maldives have been declared measles and rubella free by WHO. It's Sri Lanka and Maldives. Option number 1. Option number 1, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Question number 32 looks like an easy one. Who is the first Lokpal of our country? This is easy. Who is the first Lokpal of the country? And yes, it's Justice Pinaki Chandra Ghosh. Option number 2, Justice Pinaki Chandra Ghosh is the correct answer. Option number 2, Justice Pinaki Chandra Ghosh is the correct answer, the first Lokpal of the country. Question number 13. Ayankalli Urban Employment Guarantee Scheme is being implemented in which state? Ayankalli Urban Employment Guarantee Scheme is implemented in which state? Question number 33. Ayyankali Urban Employment Guarantee Scheme is implemented in which state? Don't think that if it is Ayyankali is the word, it will be only Tamil Nadu. No, it's not. Tamil Nadu is not the correct answer. Yes, Shankar, Kerala is the correct answer. Option number two. Option number two, Kerala is the correct answer. That is where Ayyankali Urban Employment Guarantee Scheme has been implemented. Option number two, Kerala. Tell me this one. Which of the following tribal groups is or are not the inhabitants of the state of Arunachal Pradesh? You have to tell me which of the tribes do not belong to Arunachal Pradesh. That is the question. Do not. Question number 34. Murunmai Aditi, you are correct. 3 and 5 do not belong to there. Hence, option number 2 is the correct answer. Adi tribe, yes. Galos tribe, yes. Mikir tribe, no. Naishi tribe, yes. Banjara tribe, no. 3 and 5 do not belong to Arunachal Pradesh. Hence, my answer is option number 2. Option number 2 is my answer. Option number 2 for question number 34. Question number 34, option number 2. In May 2020, Me Annapurna, an inclusive program, was launched for the welfare of farmers in which state? Question number 35. In May 2020, Me Annapurna, inclusive program for welfare of farmers was launched in which state? Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Telangana. And the correct answer, rightly by most of you, is Maharashtra. Option number 2, Maharashtra is the correct answer. That is where Me Annapurna scheme was launched for the welfare of farmers. It's option number 2, Maharashtra. 36. With reference to World Happiness Report 2020, which of the given two statements is correct? Question number 36. Which of the following two statements is correct with respect to World Happiness Report? It's only 2 is correct. 22, India was ranked 144th. Option number 2 is the correct answer. First statement is not correct. First statement is not correct. Only statement 2 is correct. I will mark option number 2 as the correct answer for question number 36. Which articles of Indian Constitution are related to citizenship? Question number 37. Which articles of Indian Constitution are related to citizenship? 3 to 10, 4 to 11, 5 to 11, 6 to 11. 3 to 10, 4 to 11, 5 to 11, 6 to 11. Which articles are related to citizenship? Yes, Prasanna, you are correct. It is option number 3, Article 5 to 11. Article 5 to 11 are related to citizenship. It's not 4 to 11, it's 5 to 11. 5 to 11 is the correct answer. Option number 3, 5 to 11. Which region of the country conferred special status under Article 371J of the Constitution of India? This is for certain regions of this state. Are you all sure that this is Ladakh? Are you all sure? The question properly. The correct answer is option number 2, Hyderabad and Karnataka. It is for the backward classes which are in the border regions of Hyderabad and Karnataka to help them with the job, etc. Answer is Hyderabad and Karnataka. Option number 2. Option number 2, Hyderabad and Karnataka. Am I audible? Am I audible, everyone? Mrinmai, Sandeep, am I audible now? Am I audible now? Perfect. Correct answer is Hyderabad and Karnataka. Correct answer is Hyderabad and Karnataka. It is for certain regions at the border of these places for the upliftment of backward classes over there. It's Hyderabad and Karnataka is the correct answer for question number 38. Question number 39. Which of the following is not possible by a law of parliament under Article 3 of the Constitution? Which of the following is not possible by a law of parliament under Article 3 of the Constitution? Janvi says 4, Mansi says 4, and that is my correct answer as well. Prasanna says 4, AK says 4. It is admission of new states. It's not possible by a law of parliament under Article 3 of the Constitution. You can form new states, you can alter their areas, you can alter their boundaries, but you cannot admit a new state. Option number 4 is the correct answer for question number 39. Question number 40. Which part of the Constitution has the provisions for Panchayati Raj system? Which part of the Constitution has the provisions for Panchayati Raj system? It's option number 1, part 9. Option number 1, part 9. Part 9 has the provisions for Panchayati Raj system. Option number 1 is the correct answer. Option number 1. Tell me, question number 41. Which Valley of Kashmir is situated between? Valley of Kashmir is situated between. Valley of Kashmir is situated between. Answer for 40 is option number 1, part 9. Question number 40, option number 1. Question number 41, it is Pir Panjal and Himadri ranges. Option number 2 is the correct answer for question number 41. Question number 41, option number 2 is the correct answer. Question number 42, which of the following rivers takes a U-turn at Namcha Barwa and enters India? Question number 42, which of the following river takes a U-turn at Namcha Barwa to enter India? And yes, all of you are correct. It is Brahmaputra. Option number 4, Brahmaputra is the correct answer. Brahmaputra is the correct answer. Question number 43, Bhagoria is a folk dance associated with which tribe of Madhya Pradesh? Question number 43, Bhagoria is a folk dance associated with which tribe of Madhya Pradesh? Yes, most of you are correct. It is Bhil. Option number 2, Bhil. Bhagoria is a folk dance associated with Bhil tribe of Madhya Pradesh. It's Bhil is the correct answer. Option number 2. Option number 2, Bhil is the correct answer. Question number 44. Which folk song is mainly sung in Malwa region of Madhya Pradesh? Which folk song is mainly sung in Malwa region of Madhya Pradesh? Which folk song is mainly sung in Malwa region of Madhya Pradesh? And yes, option number 3 is the correct answer. Bharthari. Bharthari is the correct answer. Option number 3. Question number 44. Option number 3. Bharthari is the folk song mainly sung in Malwa region of Madhya Pradesh. Option number 3. Laho and Bagla are popular folk dances of. Question number 45. Laho and Bagla are popular folk dances of. Laho and Bagla are popular folk dances of. Question number 45. Laho and Bagla are popular folk dances of.
Laho and Bagla are popular folk dances of Meghalaya. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Meghalaya is the correct answer. Yes, Prasanna, Meghalaya is the correct answer. Option number 3, Meghalaya, Lahu and Bagla are popular folk dances of Meghalaya. Naropa is an annual festival of 46. Naropa is an annual festival of Naropa is an annual festival of which state? Meghalaya, Mizoram, Ladakh, Arunachal Pradesh. Naropa is an annual festival of. Question number 46. Naropa is an annual festival of Meghalaya, Mizoram, Ladakh, Arunachal Pradesh. The correct answer is Ladakh. Option number 3. Ladakh is the correct answer. Ladakh is the correct answer. Option number 3. Naropa is an annual festival of Ladakh. Option number 3. Option number 3. Ladakh is the correct answer. Dhumal is a folk dance of Rajasthan, Punjab, Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh. Question number 47. Dhumal is a folk dance of Rajasthan, Punjab, Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh. Dhumal is a folk dance of Kashmir. Yes, all of you are correct. Option number 3, Kashmir is the correct answer. Kashmir is the correct answer. Dhumal is folk dance of Kashmir. Gahira Guru belong to which tribe of Chhattisgarh? Question number 48. Gahira Guru belong to which tribe of Chhattisgarh? Gahira Guru belonged to which tribe of Chhattisgarh? Mansi, Sakshi, Neha, you are correct. It is option number 3, Kavar. Kanwar is the correct answer. Kanwar is the tribe to which Gahira Guru belongs. It is Kanwar, option number 3 for question number 48. Chong, Lim and Nuralim are the popular folk dances of. Chong, Lim and Nuralim are the popular folk dances of Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram or Arunachal Pradesh. Chong, Lim and Nuralim are the popular folk dances of Nagaland. Option number 1. Nagaland is the correct answer. Nagaland is the correct answer. Chong, Lim and Nuralim are the popular folk dances of Nagaland. Option number 1 for question number 49. In the context of India, which of the following is considered to be the practice for eco-friendly agriculture? You have to select 1, 2 and 3 only, 3 only, 4 only, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the context of India, which of the following is considered to be the practice or practices for eco-friendly agriculture? Crop diversification, legume intensification, tensiometer use, vertical farming. Correct answer is option number 4. All the 4 techniques are considered as the practices for eco-friendly agriculture, whether it be crop diversification, legume intensification, tensiometer, vertical farming, all 4. Correct answer is option number 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, vertical farming in India as well, Shankar. Option number 4. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Coming to the last question, I guess most of you should get it correct with reference to Ayushman Bharat Yojana. Tell me this answer. It is option number 2. First is correct. If it was 5 lakh per family, I have written 5 lakh per person, which is wrong. Read the words. Read the words properly. In exam also, don't make these silly mistakes. You all knew 5 lakh, but you just didn't read per person. It is 5 lakh per family. It's not 5 lakh per person. And hence option number 2 becomes my correct answer. If it was 5 lakh per family, the correct answer is option number 2. Option number 2. And the reason is 5 lakh per person versus 5 lakh per family. With this, we come to the end of this session. I really hope some of these questions come in the exam. Last minute tips, Neha, I would say just keep on revising GK. Even if you have not taken all the mock tests or all the topic tests, ensure that you are revising all the GK questions of all the full length mock tests. Questions have come from mock tests in past in exam. So please, if even if say you don't have time to take all full length mock tests, even if you don't have time to take all the full length mock tests, at least revise GK questions of all the full length mock tests. That is something which is going to help you a lot. Union budget, just remember the key highlights, Varsha. There was nothing special in this 2021 budget to be asked, if you ask me, but yes, just revise it once. It can always be asked. Do not study anything entirely new. Even if say you are weak in maths, don't start an entirely new topic. Whatever you have studied so far, just revise that couple of days before the exams. Don't study anything new. Just revise GK, revise all the GK questions of the mock tests, revise formulas or anything which you require from arithmetic and DI. Arithmetic and DI will be very important. Maybe revise vocabulary for a couple of days, but do not study anything entirely new. And kindly ensure that you are revising all the GK questions of all the mock tests. Which section to attempt first? It depends upon your strength. Sarthak, I will say that always start with your strongest section. Always start with your strongest section so that your confidence increases in the paper. Attempt your weakest section at the end. Shankar, last couple of mocks are slightly difficult, but otherwise there is no major difference. Yes, Nayanika, I'll be sharing this PDF in the group. Sejal, you should be revising GK section of all the mock tests. Of all the mock tests, all the 20 mock tests, you should be revising the GK section for sure. Janvi, I will share the answers in the message while I share the PDF. Okay. Any more queries? Feel free to ask me in the group. If I don't respond on time, you can message me one-to-one. And all the best, everyone. Wish you all the luck. You all have studied hard so far. I'm pretty sure that the exam is going to go well. And I'm looking forward to most of you getting the calls and later on helping you out with your interview preparation as well. Thank you, everyone. And I'm there on WhatsApp available for any doubts, any queries, anytime. Thank you. Good night.